He's gonna do it again.
What's? Oh my God! What is that? Get off! Wait! I trapped the lizard on you. It's you! Oh my gosh! It's moving! Oh my gosh! What just happened? He popped it. The bird popped it.
Who put ice cubes in a pencil case?
Ice? I thought it was a cool surprise and maybe funny.
Oh, man.
Ice is fun.